I am about to be making a late brunch. It is now like 1:37 our time, so yeah, we're just getting up and getting our day started. And as you can see, he's in the background as always. But I'm gonna go ahead and start making our breakfast. I'm gonna make just some bacon and egg with some pancakes and some grits, most likely, because I have my grits. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my bacon. So my bacon I'm actually gonna put in the oven today because I'm gonna make my pancakes on my griddle. Usually I make my bacon on my griddle and do my pancakes on the stove, but I'm not able to do that today. So yeah. And I'll cook these last 3 bacons on the griddle since I don't have enough space to put them on the stove. And I do have my water boiling for my grits. I'm gonna go ahead and take the grits. Take some salt. And usually I use my sea salt, which is right here. I'm just gonna take some butter and put it in my grits. So for the pancakes, we're gonna use 2 cups of batter. And I'm using the Crackle Barrel pancake mix, if you guys are wondering, and you can see it in the background. And you're gonna go ahead and need 1 cup of milk. Usually I don't measure, but since I'm doing a video, I'm gonna measure today. And then we're gonna need 1 egg. And you're just gonna mix it. And blueberry pancakes, so I do have my blueberries right here. Just gonna add a couple in there. And just mix it in. I like to squish them just a little bit to get. Alright, so our pancakes are all done on this side. Bacon is done as well. Hash browns, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove on medium. And then I'm gonna add some olive oil. I'm just gonna top the whole bottom of the pan. Well, not top it, but coat it with olive oil. Go ahead and add some butter to the bottom of my eggs. Turn it on medium as well. Then let that melt. So now that our stuff is hot, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my potatoes on the skillet. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. There's that. Now I have my butter going over here for my eggs. Go ahead and crack 1 egg. So when I do my scrambled eggs, I put the eggs on first and then I scramble it. Put the milk into my eggs. I'm going to go ahead and mix it. Cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add some season. And then some black pepper seasoning. And as you guys can see, my eggs are cooking. Got my hash browns. And I got my grits over here cooking up. I'm gonna add some cheese to the top of our eggs. So in our house, we like mimosas. Go pop that bottle. And then you just pour the orange juice.
I don't know if I put too much in there, but we'll find out.
I guess just goes off how strong you want it.
Yeah.
Usually you add like a slice of orange, but we don't have no oranges, so it's gonna pass for today. And so breakfast, well, brunch is served. Have our scrambled eggs, our grits, our hash browns, our pancakes, and our bacon, and our mimosas. Alrighty guys, so that's it for today. We're gonna go ahead and go eat and grab down, probably take a nap, and I gotta do Lanai's hair later on, so yeah. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed cooking with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.